Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Easy Accounting Channel. Today we are talking on RPP contribution, retirement pension plan. So the current service is a period of service in the year which is credited under your RPP by your employer. And then Canada Savings Bonds, you can transfer your holding of past series compound interest Canada Savings Bond to your RRSP or your spouse or your common law, and the amount is transferred a contribution to the RRSP. Self-directed RRSP. This RRSP allow you to contribute the asset and make the investment decision yourself. So your financial institution can tell you if they offer these services. Qualified investment. So you should pay particular attention to the type of investment you choose for the plan. How do you claim your RRSP deduction? So on line 20800 of your income tax and benefit, you can deduct your RRSP contribution you made up to the limits we explained in the following section. So your RRSP issuer will give you a receipt for the amount you contributed. If you contributed to your spouse or common law RRSP, the receipt should show your name as the contributor and your spouse or common law as the annuitants. You attach the receipt to your income tax and benefit return to support the amount you deducted. Age limit for contributing to an RRSP. The age limit is 71. Is the last year in which you make a contribution to your RRSP. And you can contribute to your RRSP under which your spouse or common law partner is the annuitant until the age of 71. Contributing to your RRSP. So this section will help you to determine how much of your RRSP contribution you can deduct on line 2800 of your income tax benefit. So how much can you deduct? The amount of RRSP deduction that you can deduct for 2020 is based on your 2020 RRSP deduction limits, which appear on your latest notice of assessments. So calculating your 2020 RRSP deduction limit, so it's showing on your latest notice of assessment that CRA sent to you. Contribution you can deduct for 2020, so you can deduct the contribution you made to your or your spouse for the RRSP. The home buyer plan and the lifelong learning plan. So if you participate in the home buyer plan, BP or lifelong learning plan LLP, you may be able to deduct for that year the part of the contribution you made to your RRSP during the 89 days before you withdrew an amount under this plan. So contributing to your spouse or common law RRSP or SSPP or both. So this section applies to you if you contribute to your SPP or your RRSP. Like contribution made after death, so your contribution can be made to a deceased individual, RRSP or SPP can be claimed on the deceased individual income tax and benefits. And also, like, let's give an example, like they died in August 2019, and his 2020 RRSP deduction limit is 7,000 before he died. So Dave did not contribute to either his RRSP or his wife. So his wife Paula is 66. of age in 2020. So on their behalf, his legal representative can contribute up to 7,000 to Paula RRSP for 2020. So the HBP and the LPP, if your spouse common law participates in the HBP or LLBP. So line 1 of your income tax will be the unused RRSP or PRPP contribution. These are amounts you contributed to your RRSP, PRPP, or your SPP, or to your RRSP or your SPP for your spouse, your common law after 1990, but did not deduct on line 208. So of any previous income tax and benefit return. So on line 2 and 3, the total RRSP, PRPP, and SPP contribution contributed to your own RRSP spouse or common law spouse, or from March 3rd to March 1st, 2021, you can claim that on your 2020 tax return. Thank you for coming to my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel and share my video. Thank you. Bye.